Are you ready to elevate your outdoor adventures? The rumors are swirling about the next big thing in the world of smartwatches, the Garmin Fenix 8. Packed with potential upgrades, this watch promises to be a game-changer for athletes, explorers, and anyone who loves the great outdoors. Let's dive in and uncover what this highly anticipated smartwatch might offer. A new era, the Garmin Fenix series is renowned for its durability and advanced features tailored for outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. The upcoming Fenix 8 is expected to build on this reputation with significant upgrades. A key enhancement is the rumored new processor, which is set to deliver faster performance and smoother operation compared to previous models. This upgraded processor should improve various aspects of the watch's functionality. Users can expect quicker response times when navigating trails with GPS, more efficient tracking of workouts and health metrics, and seamless handling of notifications and other smart features. The result will be a more fluid and reliable user experience, enhancing the watch's ability to support rigorous outdoor activities and daily tasks. Overall, the Fenix 8 aims to maintain its leadership in the rugged smartwatch market by incorporating cutting-edge technology to enhance both performance and user satisfaction. Battery life and health tracking. One of the biggest complaints about smartwatches is battery life, but the Fenix 8 is looking to change that. Expect improved battery performance across the board, with the Pro model potentially offering even longer endurance. And when it comes to health tracking, the Fenix 8 is rumored to be packed with features. From advanced heart rate monitoring to detailed sleep analysis, this watch could be your new personal health coach. GPS and navigation. Getting lost is a thing of the past with the Fenix 8. Expect enhanced GPS accuracy, detailed topographical maps, and potentially even multi-band GPS for those challenging environments. Whether you're hiking through dense forests or sailing open waters, this watch will be a reliable navigator. Display and design. A great smartwatch needs a great screen. The Fenix 8 is rumored to have a better display with improved sunlight readability and scratch resistance. Plus, there's talk of a solar charging option for the Pro model, extending battery life even further. And let's not forget about design. While we don't have concrete details yet, we can expect the Fenix 8 to maintain its rugged and stylish look. Features and functionality. Beyond the core features, the Fenix 8 is expected to offer a range of convenient options. Contactless payments, music storage, and improved back compatibility are all on the table. This smartwatch is shaping up to be a versatile companion for your daily life and adventures. Release date and price speculation. The Garmin Fenix 8 is anticipated to be released around late 2024 or early 2025, though an official launch date has yet to be confirmed. This timing aligns with Garmin's typical product release cycle and industry speculation. Regarding pricing, the Fenix 8 is expected to fall into the premium smartwatch category, reflecting its advanced features and high-end build quality. Garmin's Fenix series traditionally commands a higher price due to its robust design, extensive functionality, and specialized features for outdoor and fitness enthusiasts. Despite the likely premium price, the Fenix 8's anticipated advancements, such as a new processor, enhanced performance, and improved features, might justify the cost for users seeking a top-tier, rugged smartwatch. For those who value cutting-edge technology and superior durability in their fitness and adventure gear, the investment could be well worth it. Are you excited about the potential of the Garmin Fenix 8? Let us know your thoughts and wish list in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and in-depth reviews. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay informed. The Garmin Fenix 8 is shaping up to be an impressive smartwatch that could redefine the outdoor adventure experience. With its focus on performance, health, and navigation, it's clear that Garmin is committed to delivering the best for its users. We can't wait to see what the future holds for this exciting new device. Stay tuned for more updates.